As usual, I saw something cool on the internet for a rack for firewood. So I went and picked up some treated lumber and some untreated lumber of all different sizes. This is what it looks like at the beginning. I'm trying to build these angles in my garage on the floor. It's the only place big enough. It's actually has to be pretty precise for it to look good, unfortunately. Since I have a sledgehammer, you can guess that I've pulled this apart once. Kind of the base. Got some short little 2x4s in there to see what it's going to look like. Anyway, a lot of angles and remembering using my protractor.